Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have QCY-H2 wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your Windows PC. At first, click on this Windows icon and then click this gear icon. Then go to Devices and then click on this plus over here. Then Bluetooth, and now you have to turn on your headphones with the multifunctional button, which is located over here. Now hold the multifunctional button for a moment, and as you can see, QCY-H2 audio. We have to tap on it and wait a moment. As you can see, now we are connected. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.